I'm a freak.
Excuse me? What you said to me? Oh no, you didn't. No, I'm not. I'm sorry, but you know, I ain't that kind of girl. Look at me and see a little girl inside my skin. It's a supernatural. So don't be trying to push up on me, baby. My mama told me better than that. The bigger you are, the hotter you fall. I'm about the original, not typical, not ooh la la, baby. You can hold me responsible, it's chemical if you bring it out in me. I'm a freak of nature. You better beware danger. Yeah, I'm your midnight angel. I'm a freak, come on, yeah. I'm a freak of nature. I'm a little material, got bling bling. My glasses got a shade. Yeah. But there's a hippie chick in me that's barefoot, walking in the grass. Just 'cause I like sipping on champagne doesn't mean that I'm afraid of the rain. I'm about metaphysical, not practical, not plan ahead, baby. If you open Pandora's box, prepare yourself, 'cause the world has been changing. Freak of nature, yeah, better beware danger. I'm your midnight angel. Ooh, yeah. I'm a freak of nature. Freaky, deaky, look completely sassafras. So honey, drink me, finger licking. I've been thinking I'm the bomb. Your clock is ticking. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, motherfucker. I'm about the original, not typical, not ooh la la, baby. If you open Pandora's box, prepare yourself, 'cause the world will be changing. Freak of nature, you better beware danger. Come on, I'm your midnight angel. I'm a freak of nature. Freak of nature. Oh, better beware danger. I'm your midnight angel. Ooh, yeah. I'm a freak of nature. All right, that's freaking up for me.